So some of the basic items that we need to clean a printer would be, say, a blow-off duster. This will be used to get rid of all the dust that is in it, and as you can see, it's good for printers. And then you might need some rubbing alcohol, and you're going to need some cotton. Toothbrush. I use toothbrush is good also because it's able to go in areas that your hands wouldn't normally be able to. And that should begin the process. Once you open the printer, you can realize that there are rollers. So rollers are usually what brings the paper from, say, the feeding area to the print area. So one of the main things you clean on a printer would be the roller, all the rollers. So we move the first tray now, and we're going to show you, this is where you open where the print cartridge is kept. So a little squeeze and you open, and there you go. This is a LaserJet 26A cartridge. Gently remove so you don't damage the groove that the printer cartridge is laid on. Best to open all the areas that you're going to clean, all the areas that possibly would have a lot of ink residue, a lot of dust. So you do a thorough cleaning and ensure that you unplug your printer before you do any form of cleaning, so you don't damage anything. This is a LaserJet HP M402n series. So basically showing you how to the assembly means to take away all the parts that you're going to use, and then you're going to reassembly. So the same way you remove the print cartridge is the same way you're going to reinstall it. Be gentle when reinstalling, be gentle when removing. Ensure that you clean all the rollers or the corners just out properly with the dust off, and the microfiber cloth as well would be nice to do final cleanup of the printer once you're finished cleaning. And there we go. A clean printer serves you longer.